Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to freeze your Chase debit card in 2025. If you've ever worried about fraud, identity theft, or just misplaced your card, freezing it is a smart, quick way to add an extra layer of security without closing your account. Let's jump right in. First off, why should you freeze your card? In 2025, with rising cyber threats, freezing your Chase debit card instantly blocks unauthorized transactions, giving you peace of mind until you're ready to use it again. It's simple, reversible, and can be done right from your phone or computer. Before we start, make sure you have the latest Chase mobile app installed or access to the Chase website. You'll need a stable internet connection and your login details handy for security reasons. Step 1. Open the Chase app on your smartphone or visit chase.com on your browser. Log in using your username, password, and any two-factor authentication required. This ensures only you can make changes. Step 2. Once logged in, head to the Accounts or Cards section. You'll see a list of your accounts. Tap on the one linked to your debit card. Step 3. Look for the Freeze Card or Lock Card option. It's usually under Settings, Security Features, or directly on the card details page. In 2025, Chase has made this even more user-friendly with a one-tap feature. Step 4. Select Freeze and confirm the action. You might need to enter a PIN, answer a security question, or verify via email or text. Once confirmed, your card is frozen immediately. No more purchases, withdrawals, or online transactions until you unfreeze it. A few important tips. Freezing doesn't affect your account balance or online banking access, but remember to unfreeze when you need to use your card again by following the same steps. If you're traveling, check for any regional restrictions. And always keep an eye on your account for suspicious activity. There you have it. Freezing your Chase debit card is straightforward and empowers you to stay in control. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 finance hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching and stay secure.